Rap Show. What up? How y'all doing? What up? What's going down? What's shaking? Yeah, what's happening? We got a little intro for you tonight. We got a little Vanilla Rice, and I got my special guest with me tonight, Sheer Energy. We got a little rap show going down for you right now. What's happening, everybody? What's happening? What up? Woo! Scottsdale, Sheer Energy, give a five, baby, give it up. My brother from another mother, Sheer Energy, right here. You're gonna see it live, Scottsdale. We are here to celebrate junior achievement, and we're gonna celebrate with a little song for you. Wrote a song about it. Wanna hear it? Wanna hear it? Here it go. Hit it, Tef.
New York in the house.
Easy insurance guy, we got you covered, we got you covered. 480-551-7303. Easy insurance guy, we got you covered, we got you covered. 480-551-7303.
My name Don Rice, and I got something to say. Welcome to my world where I love to work and play. I go by another name, it seems pretty fly. You may have heard of me, Easy Insurance Guy. Pick up your cocktail, your wine or your beer. I think you're gonna like what you're about to hear. I woke up one morning in the early morning news. What they were saying just gave me the blues. It was about my biz, and I'll say it in a rap. Cause what's going on in healthcare is a bunch of freaking crap.
Easy insurance guy, he's got you covered, he's got you covered. 480-551-7303. Easy insurance guy, he's got you covered, he's got you covered. 480-551-7303.
While they work on healthcare and it goes through reform, I pray they change it back. I'll be living in a dorm. I built my biz on health insurance alone. As I sat behind my desk, my computer, and my phone. We know how expensive health insurance costs. If you ain't got it, it can be a huge loss. It's money really tight, and you think you're indestructible. Guess what we got? It's called a high deductible.
Easy insurance guy, he's got you covered, he's got you covered. 480-551-7303. Easy insurance guy, he's got you covered, he's got you covered. 480-551-7303.
With commissions being cut, I'm working twice as hard, so I decided to diversify and play out other cards. Now, along with health insurance, I market other stuff. I'm going to fill you in without the BS and the fluff. Take the simple things like your autos and your homes. We can cover all of them from the skin to the bone. If you need more coverage because it slipped through the cracks, we'll get you an umbrella. That'll pick up all the slack.
Easy insurance guy, he's got you covered, he's got you covered. 480-551-7303. 7303. Easy insurance guy, he's got you covered, he's got you covered. 480-551-7303. 7303.
People get hurt. It can happen to anyone. If it happens to you, it just ain't no fun. If an injury keeps you from making money for your time, we got Aflac. They'll pay your bills on their dime. You may not realize what kind of insurance this may be. Remember this, protection from disability. Life insurance, for when you obviously die. It has lots of other reasons. Just ask me what and why. It's simple to explain, but I'll keep it short and sweet. You can always access cash while you're breathing on your feet.
Easy insurance guy, he's got you covered, he's got you covered. 480-551-7303. 7303. Easy insurance guy, he's got you covered, he's got you covered. 480-551-7303. 7303.
There's this other line of coverage called long-term care. Do you know what it is? You get old and lose your hair. It gets pretty costly as you lay up in your bed. Friends and family visit, can't keep them straight in your head. You need to look at this for the long-term picture, for when you're settled in a home as a permanent fixture. Now you're over 65 doing that long-term chilling. Just pray your kids won't be doing your drug filling.
Easy insurance guy, he's got you covered, he's got you covered. 480-551-7303. 7303. Easy Insurance Guy. That guy's got you covered. He's got you covered. 480-551-730-37303.
So what you need to think about before it gets too late, how will you insure yourself before the pearly gate? Look for me on Facebook, YouTube, and LinkedIn. If you can't find me, you better look again. Put me in your favorites as you'll need me one day. Feel free to pick up the phone and just say, hi. To sum it all up now that you heard my song, I hope you call me, just don't wait too long. Again, my name is Don Rice, so just come by, just ask for me, the AZ Insurance Guy. Word peeps, what up? I need a drink.
What was that phone number again?
We should sub between those worth $50, I think. I can't talk. Hang on, folks, hang on.